Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Raspberry Pi Pico based hand gesture recognition with 3 flex sensors and voice output. So here we are using an Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 microcontroller and APR33A3 voice recorded and playback IC 8 ohm speaker, and those are connected with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pins. Individual voice to APR33A3 voice recorded module, and 3 flux sensors. Those are connected to the ADC 26, 27, 28 pins. Flux sensor 1, flux sensor 2, flux sensor 3, and there are only 3 ADCs are available in Raspberry Pi Pico, and a 16 cross 2 LCD display that is connected with RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is my hardware kit. Yeah, Raspberry Pi Pico pin diagram, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 LCD connection, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and these are the voice output, 14, 15, 16 LEDs, and ADC 0, ADC 1 and ADC 2, 26, 27, 28. These are the ADC pin configuration. Yeah, let's start with power supply. Bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. APR33A3 voice recorded module, and this is 16 cross 2 LCD display, and Raspberry Pi Pico 26 GPIO pins, and there are 3 LEDs. Each flux band the LED should be on, at the same time voice should be comes out. So this is APR33A3, and this is voice recorded module when recording and playback, and we recorded with individual voices onto the APR33A3. So we wrote the program according to the flux bending. So now it is showing normal on the LCD display. Okay, so when I am going to bend this, okay, when I am going to second one, second LED on. Okay, at a time 2 bending, 2 LEDs, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, sorry, this is 2 and 3. At a time 3 LEDs. Emergency. Okay, okay, first one. Okay, red LED on, orange LED. Okay, food. Okay, and 2 and 3 bending. Oh, sorry, 1 and 2. Okay, newspaper. 2 and 3 bending, and 3. So there are only 3 ADCs are available: ADC 0, ADC 1 and ADC 2. Okay, and so APR33A3 8 ohm speaker, power supply module, and Raspberry Pi Pico 3 LEDs, and 16 cross 2 LCD display. Okay, now I am removing the power supply. I am giving the power supply. Okay, food. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, 2 and 3. So sign language to speech conversion using 3 flex sensors using Raspberry Pi Pico. So sign language to speech conversation, only 3 flex sensors are available. Those are connected with ADC0, ADC1 and ADC2. So you can go for the home automation or home automation, wireless home automation. Like that we can do multiple projects on this.